Hi guys, it's your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, comment, and do the thing and subscribe. Hey. Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hi guys, it's your girl Janet. Wagwan. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, share, comment, and do the thing and subscribe. So today's Monday. How was your guys' weekend? Mine was terrible. I've been sick from about Thursday. As I said in my vlog before, I was sick all weekend. And this is what the British weather does to you. 1 minute it's raining, 1 minute it's hot, you don't know what to wear. And oh my god, and the week was so exciting because I still have to go to work because I'm on probation, and I have to, else that's gonna be a strike, and I think you get 3 strikes. And so we had a good day at work, but trust me, I work, but I wasn't in the mood. As you can see, I'm so stuffy. So I've been using this contraption, I would say. I put hot water in it and eucalyptus oil with some peppermint to help me to breathe because I'm very, very stuffy. So I used it before, and I'm gonna use it before I go to my bed tonight. So as I said, today's Monday. I did get some work, but I couldn't go. I could barely drag myself out the bed. I did get up and I took my son to school because today is his first exam and I don't want this boy to be late. So I took him to school, and then I went to do a bit of shopping. Then I came back and I went straight to bed. I just got up. Listen, I'm doing this mud facial. Yes, I do like a facial because the other day I looked at the camera when I was editing and I could see all that the dry I don't even know what to call it. As I said before, this thing burned up my face and it leaves some horrible dry marks, and when I zoom up so close in the camera you can see all these things. So I need to get rid of them, and I think facial is the best thing, and keep it moisturized because it looks so patchy and awful. So, and guess what, this is way in the evening, so don't worry. I'm going to do this and I'm going to leave it for a while. And then I wash it off. So my head is hurting and everything. I've been taking so much medication and it's not working. So, but I still want a beautiful face. And then I'm gonna have a hot bath to see if this can relieve my nose so I can breathe properly, and get some medicine. I'm so sluggish and tired. Get some medicine and then I'm gonna go to bed. And as I said, this is so good, so good. I got it from a parent. I didn't know. I don't know if I've said it before. See, I got it from a parent for a present when I was working permanent in a school, and it was good. It is so good. So you pour the hot water and put whatever you want to put in it. Close it, and then you just rinse your face, and it helps you anyway. You know what? It was a bad week. Don't worry. I'll be up and running soon. I'm gonna work on myself and to get better. Anyway, I might see you later. I might see you tomorrow. But you know your girl gonna check in, so see ya. It's gonna be a lovely day. All the holidays are here and it's time to turn up. Like we are dressed, we're in the vehicle, we're about to get ready to go to a waterfall. I'm dressed. I did not show y'all my outfit because maybe it was just a lot. I kept switching. I didn't know. All right, now, so we got a hike. We're going bye-bye. We got a hike. Apparently the hike is 3 hours long. 3.5 hours long. And here the girls. Yeah, don't forget the half, so. Oh, hell no. I really fell in the water trying to follow your ass. Hell no. Yeah, so it's 10:48. Get the fuck down. To the no. Hell to the no. Y'all. All right. Guys, wagwan. Another update. So today is Thursday. I vlogged Monday and that's it. I was in bed. I was so ill. The flu had me down. But guess what? The girl is up and running because guess what? I'm a survivor. I'm not 100%. Maybe about 70. But you know what? Have to get up because I went to work today. I didn't do nothing. I laid in bed and thanks for all my friends and family that checked in on me and give me all the support and the medicine and the advice what to take. Well recommended and well taken. So I did everything. No, I'm just a bit stuffy, but that will go in time when I'm up and running. This vlog might be so boring because I didn't do anything, nothing at all, but it is what it is. And now my battery is dying. I'm gonna have a bath, find something to eat, and laid up in bed. So guess what? I'll see you tomorrow because I know I'm not gonna see you today again because I'm a bit tired. So I'll see you. Hey guys, it's glad to be back. Glad to be back. I was back yesterday, innit? So today is Friday. Another week finished. Look, I've got this white thing in my hair. Don't worry, it's spritz and stuff. Anyway, just came in the house from work. Oh my god, my nose is running like the river and like a baby. But you know what? That's the least of the problem. Because I'm not wrapped up in bed. So that's minor. Plus, I've got a constant headache that won't go away. But I think I'm a bit hungry. I need to find something to eat. And then, but I'm gonna have a bath first. So I bath and then watch some TV because back to work tomorrow and it's a bank holiday weekend. So Monday is bank holiday. So you know this girl is going back to work because I have to work every bank holiday. But you know what? I'm so disappointed. And you know what? I'm disappointed in myself. Because Capleton and Shensia and some other Jamaican superstars or artists as you say, they're gonna be in my area. I wanted to go but I didn't get any tickets, so it is what it is. I'm not going. No ticket, no entrance. I said go. But this vlog, I don't have enough content for it to go out this week, so I guess I'll have to put it to next week, I think, or in the week, who knows. But so far so good. And update on my agency, they did give me jobs last week, but you know, I couldn't do it, and they gave me a job today actually when I was coming home for the 10th of June. So let's see, because today is like the 20, what, 20, I think it's the 24th. And they gave it for the 10th of June. You saw they're very premature, but I'm not giving my hopes up. I did say yes, but who knows? They might cancel it, which I wouldn't be surprised, because that's how they're rolling now, isn't it? They canceling every 5 seconds. Whatever. And my night shift is coming up, which I'm gearing about because I keep talking about it. It's coming. The only problem is that they changed the day from Monday to Sunday. So the whole Sunday night I will be working a night shift, but it's okay because at least I can sleep the whole Monday. And then, don't worry, I'm taking off my bra. Ta-da! And then I'll be fit as a fiddle for my class on the following Tuesday, the Tuesday in that week. So I guess everything work out for a purpose. So yeah. Oh my God, you know what? Yesterday it was so hot in the shop. This lady nearly fainted on me. Oh my God, it was so scary. But thanks be to God, I sit her down, I gave her water, I gave her my fan, I chat with her and and then took her about an hour before she came round. But she is fine, 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 fine. She nearly squeezed me to death after she was going, but you know, it is what it is. Look at my hair. I'm gonna do it this I said this week, but let's see. Anyway, let me go find something to eat. I'm so hungry. So I'll see ya. Hey guys, good morning. It's another day. It's Sunday. It's the fun day. Look, I'm so better now. I'm a survivor. I'm gonna Anyway, my face, I don't know, this side is itchy and it's got loads of I don't know, it's so irritating, like loads of small bumps. I'm not gonna come close, but I just wake up, so don't mind me. I'm gonna try to solve the problem. So what I'm gonna do, I bought this it's a makeup brush cleanser. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wash my brushes, but before I wash them, I'm gonna soak them in some warm water with washing up liquid, and I'm gonna use, don't mind the hair, and I'm gonna use some micellar water, and I'm just doing a little maintenance. I'm gonna soak my brushes in some water, and then I'll wash them out a little bit later. So I'm gonna use my I'm going to try this for the first. So let me put it over here. So I'm soaking them. And what I need to do as well, I'm going to put on a peel face mask today. And after that, I'm going to put, this is a tea tree and peppermint deep moisturizing foot mask. I'm going to do this as well. But I won't do this in camera because the last time I did a foot peel and YouTube had a problem with my video. So I had to take it down. So I'll do this off camera. So I have a little bit in here. I'm gonna waste not, I said once not. So I use a little bit before. This one is the honey. So, and don't mind the hair, because guess what? I'm gonna solve this problem this week. I hope. Finally. Because this week is a little bit busy. I've got some things to do, and I'm sure I'll come in and talk about it a little bit. So I'm gonna try this. I got this in a, it's to, they said rejuvenate and firm, but I've never used it before. So, okay. It's a gold thing. How do I do this? It's in, it comes like this. I guess, okay. Oh. So, it's in a liquid. I think you put it on like, okay. Got you. It's a bit messy. It's so messy. Okay. Well, it is what it is. I thought it was something else, but I'll keep this on for a while. And I need to do something else after this, so I'll see you. I'm getting ready to go to a funeral. I'll show you what I'm wearing, but quick. That's the top. This is the shoe and the bag. But I'm running a bit late. If I've got time, you know this girl will check in. Hi guys, it's your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, share, comment, and do the thing and subscribe. Well, today is Tuesday and I'm in the car because I'm going to a funeral. And guess what? I started early, but I'm still running late. I don't know why, but I'm running late. I went to shopping, but I did come back early, but I'm still running late. The funeral starts at 3 and I think it's 2:30 and I need to get there. So I'm very hungry and a little bit stressed. I was going to show my outfit and everything, but you know what, when I come back. So let me find where I'm going and I'll get back to you. So this is my fit. My bag is from Rita or my top, and then my trousers with my kitten heels. Hey. I've I've just came back from the funeral, and yes, I wore jeans and it was fine, and a top. And look at my room, look at my bed. It's a bomb site. But I'm glad I went because it was one of my co-worker that we used to work in a school together, and it was amazing. I mean, the only place you see people you haven't seen in a long while is at a funeral or a birthday party or something like that. But I'm glad I went. I didn't do any work today. I didn't take a job because I wanted to show my support, and I'm glad I did. So I had a lovely, I mean, I can't say lovely because for the family in mourning, it's not that lovely. The loveliest thing is showing my support and going to see all the people that I used to work with, and knowing a little bit more about the person that I used to work with, because oh, that eulogy was so amazing. Her daughter got up. I used to work with her daughter as well, and she got up and oh man, she was so brave. I had to commend her on the speech that she gave her mom. My mom will be well proud of her, and she was so strong to get up and do it, because God know I don't think I could do it, because you know what, mama cooking are the greatest. I know what. Anyway, let me go wash this off because I didn't do much makeup or whatever. But my chain is, you remember this Amazon chain, and my top is from H&M. I didn't even show you my fit properly, but it is what it is because I was running late. But better late than never, and I made it in the nick of time. I don't know how I was late, but it is what it is. Anyway, I keep yapping and yapping and yapping. Let me go tidy up this room, get myself situated. Go, tomorrow is another day. Another day. Anyway, I'll see you when I check in. I hope you've been having a great day. See you later. Because they said, hey, later with me. Later. Hey. Well, I've just came back from the funeral, and yes, I wore jeans and it was fine, and a top. And look at my room, look at my bed. It's a bomb site. But I'm glad I went because it was one of my co-worker that we used to work in a school together, and it was amazing. I mean, the only place you see people you haven't seen in a long while is at a funeral or a birthday party or something like that. But I'm glad I went. I didn't do any work today. I didn't take a job because I wanted to show my support, and I'm glad I did. So I had a lovely, I mean, I can't say lovely because for the family in mourning, it's not that lovely. The loveliest thing is showing my support and going to see all the people that I used to work with, and knowing a little bit more about the person that I used to work with, because oh, that eulogy was so amazing. Her daughter got up. I used to work with her daughter as well, and she got up and oh man, she was so brave. I had to commend her on the speech that she gave her mom. My mom will be well proud of her, and she was so strong to get up and do it, because God know I don't think I could do it, because you know what, mama cooking are the greatest. I know what. Anyway, let me go wash this off because I didn't do much makeup or whatever. But my chain is, you remember this Amazon chain, and my top is from H&M. I didn't even show you my fit properly, but it is what it is because I was running running late, but better late than never, and I made it in the nick of time. I don't know, I was late, but it is what it is. Anyway, I keep yapping and yapping and yapping. Let me go tidy up this room, get myself situated. Go, tomorrow is another day. Another day. Anyway, I'll see you when I check in. I hope you've been having a great day. See you later. Because they said, hey, later with me. Later. Hey. Hi guys, wagwan. So today is Wednesday and look, I finally got my hair done. So today when I got up, I just prepped it, washed it, and my girl Nettie came over. She was supposed to do the base, but she did everything. It's her first time, and I'm like, for the first time, it's not too bad. The length, I was a bit worried, but you know what? It's gotta do what it's got to do. So I want to big up my girl, Nettie. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for helping this girl out. So now I've got some protective braids, and I hope, fingers crossed, that my hair will grow. Because the middle is, Lord, it's not growing. No matter how I try. I'm like, why don't I just do the big chop and just take it off? Then I said, maybe not, because I want to change my hairstyle all the time. So I'm gonna persevere and keep it going. So that is it. So this is my update for today, Wednesday. So yeah, so I can put it in different styles. I can have it up, down, whatever. So let me go continue with my day, and I'll check in, or might close the vlog here, I don't know, because tomorrow I'm off to work and it's like nothing new, the same old. So I'll see you later. Hi guys, wagwan. Today is Thursday. Just came back from work, had a bath, and getting ready for bed, but had to check in. Listen, today work was so busy. We had to move, so we had to move clothes from one place to the other, and trust me, it was like I did it all by myself before this guy came to help, and oh my god, it was so strainful. It was a bit hard, but look, I was trying to put the hair, got my hair, I was trying to, the hair took out my earring, and I was trying to do it, put it in back, and I placed a tissue in my thing just to prevent it from going down, and trust me, my gold earring fell right into my thing, and that's gone. I have to go get another one. I'm so gutted and disappointed. Sure, that's unnecessary spending, you know. And I don't know, it is, and guess what, it can't come back, so I have to say it is what it is, yeah. But went to work today, yeah. As I've been talking about this night shift, I've been talking about it because I'm dreading it. And my friend flake out on me. Can you believe it? She's my I have friends who's gonna work it, but she's my best friend, and the gal flake out on me. She's not gonna do it, so I'm gonna be by myself. Oh my god, I'm dreading it. But you know what? It's gonna come and it's gonna hover. And if I like it, I might do it again. If not, at least I experience it. You know what? I'm gonna strangle her, you see, because I don't know how she flake out on me. She's not good, because guess what? I was doing it because of her. And now, she left me in it. She's not a good friend. I'm gonna tell her. The girl flake out on me. Oh God, you know what? She's giving excuses about church and all kind of thing because they change it to Sunday. I know she gonna be tired from church and what's it, not it. But you know what? She's still my friend. Although I'm still upset with her, cause I won't have no company like that. But let me go put on some clothes and call back my friend who was calling my phone and do what he do and do what he do. But see you later. See you later. Guys, how's your day doing? So today is Friday. Anyway, I'm getting ready to go to work. So today I'm rocking my, do you know what color it is? It's my Jamaican t-shirt because you know, today we're we're supporting UNICEF where we're collecting money at work. So we are encouraged, I should say, to wear our favorite sports because it's an aid of sports for soccer aid football team, and I'm supporting my country because no matter where I live, I'm so proud of my country, Jamaica. So I'm supporting Jamaica. Well, it's not a football t-shirt, but you know it can go on. No, it can go on. It have to go on. So this is what I'm wearing, and guess what? Shh. It's my husband t-shirt. Somehow I've got to look for my Jamaican t-shirt because I know I have one somewhere. But I want to support. So that's why I'm wearing. So I'm off to work. So who knows? I hope we collect loads of money for UNICEF because it's a good cause. And it's helping people all over. So let me see. And you know I'm rocking the rasta. Hey guys, so you see I got cut off this morning because I was watching my battery and guys it ran out. So now I'm back from work. I'm home now. Work was so super busy today, and what make it so busy is that tomorrow is the Champions League, and trust me, they blocked up in the city. I had to walk half the journey to catch my bus, which made me extremely tired and extremely grumpy. And you know what? I nearly bit off two people's head because I went to the supermarket to meet my friend Nettie, and we were in the queue, and listen to this, yeah, and she left the queue. We were both together, and this lady refused to let her come beside me. Either we're friends, and I'll stick up with my friends to the end, yeah? And no matter what, even if I have to pay for the shopping, but the woman refused to let her in. And I had to tell her a piece of her mind, yeah? And to make it matter worse, there was a man in front of me, but, okay, madam. I said, don't call me madam. Yo, I bit his head off like a piece of meat. But you know what? If it's not your argument, don't jump into it, yeah? The lady, she needs to have a hold of herself. And he needs to know when to intervene in people's business. Anyway, that to show you that I was extremely tired. But normally I would just leave it. I would pay for her shopping either. I wouldn't let her queue at the back again. But you know, my ride and die. Anyway, I'm going to close the blog here. So, if you reached this far in my video, thanks for watching. And remember, please like, comment. And if you haven't done it already, just press that button and subscribe. And I see you on another vlog. Peace.